yung dalawang characters namin ulit na nararamdaman ko yung energy sa crowd na parang, magkikita sila ulit. And that was actually the fight scene na sinasabi ko na, hindi kami sumuko. And it's very hard na, but yeah, it's been a blessing.
Who's your director? Who's sa fight scene na yun?
Si Direk Rico ata yun eh. Si Direk
Rico, how was it? Directing Richard?
Lagi po may laman yung fight scene namin. It's not just a fight scene para to say na gumagawa kami ng action. There's always a kwento behind it. So pag napunin niyo po kung bakit ko siya inahabol ng Chris, may dahilan po yun. Kaya sana po sa simula pa lang yung panood yung masimulan yun because there's always a reason. For me, necessarily, hindi yung pinaka-fight scene ang pinaka-importante sa it's what it leads up to. Yan ang importante para mas sabo pag nakikita. Yeah.
So, when we create the fight,
Mar, such a great director. Thank you, Direk, for everything. He really brings out the best in his actors, I think. And, I never really understood that in the beginning, entering the JRB unit. But once I worked with Direk FM Reyes, the first day that I worked with him, I knew right away that, okay, this guy is a genius. He's a genius director, and he brings out the best in his actors. Thank you so much, Direk.
George, your first time?
Oh, sorry.
Sorry, George, first time with Direk FM?
First time.
First time, got it. Barbie, you want to say something?
Ako rin po, gusto kong i-take yung pagkakataon na to to say thank you to Direk FM Reyes. This is the first time po that we work, but I am very close with Mama Ana. Of course, I worked with her sa Araw Gabi, but we have amazing directors, Direk Joy, Direk Rico, of course, Kuya Erwin too. But Direk FM Reyes, he is like a father to me. Like, bawat eksena ko po, yung mga iyakan kong eksena, grabe, sobrang hirap po kasi halos araw-araw na taping ko, iiyak talaga ako. As in, came to the point na I talked to my life coach, like, naguguluhan na ako.
So yun ang duty mo sa school nito, umiyak?
Magpaiyak.
Okay.
Ang dami ko nang iyakan. It was getting heavy na for me, but Direk FMR, he was always there. As in, hindi niya ako pinapabayaan. And I'm very thankful. Thank you, Tatay, for all your efforts. Thank you so much.
Bella, this is also your first time to work with us. How was it?
I agree with Richard. Actually, it's the first time I've seen Richard. Sorry, kasi I've worked with Richard before, and I think we also did an action show before, and I think he focused on the action side more. Tsaka ng time na yun, nakikisi lang kasi ng show namin. Pero dito, grabe, he's focusing on his acting more. And I think the credit goes to Direk FM. Kasi, no, I really think so. Kasi when he talks to us on set, he gives us different directions. Nakikinig ako kung ano sinasabi niya kay Richard. Di ba yung kinukwento niya kay Richard? Di ba yung kinukwento niya sa akin? Na minsan nakikinig ako, wait lang, parang mas maganda yung sinabi niya kay Richard dito. Pero sa next angle, pero mas maganda yung sinabi niya sa akin.
Mo talaga, Bella. Wala akong masabi.
Pero dun sa shot ko na, ay, mas maganda yung sinabi niya sa akin dito. So, magpapatulo na ako ng luha dito. Pero, kidding aside, Direk FMR really knows how to talk to each and one of us. Like, he studied us. He knows us personally. Like, he took time to actually know us. So, he can work better with us. Like, may isang scene kami ni Richard na tulala ako kasi naging audience niya ako dun sa scene. Like, it was so good. Yung, meron siyang eksena na sinisigaw niya si Harold direct sa office. It was such a simple scene. It didn't have to be big. Didn't have to be emotional. But I was so moved. Like, gusto kong pumalakpak after. Audience ba ako dito? Galing-galing ni Richard. So watch out for that scene. Watch out for all of our scenes. And I think because of that guidance, lahat kami nagka-homework na bit-bitin yung mga tinuturo niya sa amin sa ibang units. So ngayon, we're very mindful na because he's giving us these gifts, these billions, pag lumilipat kami ng ibang unit, ganado kami na parang, teka, ito yung sinabi ni Direk FMR sa akin. Yeah, kailangan ito yung gawin ko. So, thank you, Direk, for those gifts. Maraming salamat.
Nakakapangliit, kasi your first responsibility in the story is to study the character. At sabi ko nga sa inyo, mahirap tumahi sa aming tatlo. Tapos kailangan namin magkasundo-sundo. So kung mayroon kang nailatag dun sa isang artista, ibibilin mo para maalagaan. Kasi di ba, it's a play between the director and then the actor. And you see, for any actor who's going to work with you for the first time, trust is always an issue.
That's true.
Trust is always an issue. Will always be an issue. Ganon din naman yung director eh. Kaya nga, sabi ni Bella kanina, parang nagugulat siya kasi nagre-research din po ako sa kanila. Ano yung working attitude nila? Kasi at the end of the day, it's not even about our ego. Alam mo yun, yung hindi ka naman pumupunta sa dahil meron kang ego o may attitude ka, pumupunta ka doon bilang director, iniisip mo paano sila makakarating doon sa state of emotion at doon sa character. And well, it's up to either both of you kasi just as they will question trust, ikaw din naman bilang director, may tiwala ka ba sa kanya? Kakayanin niya ba o hindi? And you know, in any project that you work with, pwede naman hindi mo gusto yung artista eh. Pwede rin naman fan ka ng artista. Di ba? Mahirap kapag hindi kayo magkasundo, tapos kailangan mo siyang mahalin kasi may character kayong bubuuin, may istorya kayong ibibigay, bubuuin. And ako, sa tingin ko, that the personal reasons are the least of your concern. Ang priority mo is the story and then the character.